What's new at the Fuchs Company? Fleet manager Paul sits in his office pondering. He's been thinking for a while about making his company more environmentally sustainable. Transitioning from petrol to electricity? Easier said than done. There are so many factors involved. Paul feels overwhelmed. But don't despair, Paul. You're so close to the solution. Electromobility with DKV Mobility. Simply arrange an initial no-obligation consultation with DKV Mobility. Not long afterwards, the DKV Mobility advisor calls into the Fuchs office and presents Paul with a complete concept for his fleet. It has several advantages. A single invoice statement for charging transactions, e-mobility services, and other fleet services. All information accessible through the online portal. Automatic domestic electricity refunds for home charging. A single app for charging, fuel, washing, etc. Robust and reliable hardware. 24/7 service support and more. Paul is delighted and places his order right away for DKV Mobility at home and at work e-mobility solutions by filling out a simple form. Soon the electrification of the Fuchs fleet begins. A DKV Mobility technician visits Paul's employee, Jacob, to install the at-home solution at his house. Firstly, the DKV Mobility service technician checks the requirements for installing a wall box. It's as if Jacob's garage was made for the DKV wall box, which is now ordered and installed. Change of scene to Fuchs. DKV Mobility provides the technical requirements. The Fuchs engineer completes the required preparation works and dig out, for example, the holes for the foundations of the new charging pedestals. With the preparation works complete, the DKV engineer installs the hardware and commissions the system. In no time, Fuchs goes electric. Jacob can charge his company vehicle at home using the newly installed Wallbox. Meanwhile, other Fuchs employees and visitors can charge their electric vehicles at the newly installed charging station on the company site. Paul's benefits. The clearly set out invoice statement from DKV Mobility with all e-mobility services, such as installation and hardware costs, domestic electricity refund, charging en route, and all other DKV Mobility services for his fleet. The DKV online portal ensures that Paul always has an overview of what's going on. The portal displays all the activities, charging transactions, and consumption of his fleet in a clear and straightforward way. And Jacob can view his transactions in the DKV Mobility app to keep track of everything. With DKV Mobility, Fuchs found an easy path to a successful energy transition. Paul and Jacob can now relax, knowing Fuchs has made the right connections for a sustainable future. For more information, visit the DKV Mobility website.